The next command what we are going to see is touch. Touch helps us to create empty files. File underscore 11.txt. Now we shall do ls minus l. See here, file underscore 11, an empty file of 0 KB has been made. We can use touch to create multiple empty files at once. ls minus l, multiple empty files are created at once. So what does touch do? If at all if the file is not there, an empty file is created. If the file exists, it just changes the timestamp of it. So the last access time would change. For example, if you see file underscore file.txt was last accessed on 21/23. Now if you see, it would be 22/31. So the time it has been accessed has been changed. That's about touch. The next command which we see is make directory. mkdir. It helps us to create directories within this folder. So let's make folder 1, and if I do ls minus l, see the folder has been made, and here you see it's a directory. Folder, directory, we use it synonymously. We can make multiple folders at the same time. Folder 2, folder 3, ls. So multiple folders are made. Now if I want to make a subfolder inside the folder 1, how do I make? mkdir folder 1. Inside this, I need to make subfolder 1. Let's see if that has been made or not. We can use a command called tree, which gives us the architecture. So the subfolder has been made. Next, let's make a folder. Next, our next task is to make a subfolder in folder 4. But folder 4 doesn't exist already. So how do we do it? So we can force it by using the command -p. So we need to make folder 4. Inside the folder 4, we need to make subfolder 1, and inside this subfolder 2. Now if I say ls minus lr folder directory, you see folder, subfolder 1, subfolder 2, everything is made. The same thing can be seen with tree architecture as well. So subfolder, folder 4, subfolder 1 and subfolder 2. That's how we make the directories. The next command which we see is cd. cd means change directory. How do we move from one directory to another directory? So let's see what are all the directories which are present: folder 1, folder 2, folder 3 and folder 4. Let's move into folder 1 directory. cd folder 1 ls. From folder 1, let's move into subfolder 1. cd subfolder 1 ls. See here we are in home Linux folder 1 subfolder 1 directory. Now from here I would like to move to folder 2 directory. How do I move? It's not present in the same architecture. Folder 2 is not present under subfolder 1. It's outside subfolder 1. It's outside folder 1. It's actually present in home Linux folder 2. So how do I go there? We have to give a complete path to it. How do we do it? cd home Linux folder 2. So now we are in folder 2 directory. How do I come out of this folder 2 directory? cd space double dot. So we move one step back, means we move one step to the parent directory. How do I come out of this directory and go to my root directory? So we have to just give cd. We directly go to the root directory, and let me just go back to the folder 2 directory. We give cd tile symbol. We go back to the home directory. So where are we located now? We are located in root because we have logged in as root. Root is our home directory. Now let's go back to folder 3. To give cd home Linux folder 3. That's how I move to the directory. If I have to come back, cd double dot. We'll see more commands in our next class. Bye bye.